absolutely delighted and excited to be here at the FIA FIM event in Nottingham today.
I think our number one thing here is to show the sort of level of professionalism we have within our industry to various people, like the councils around here and colleges.
It's been a really good event. We've been able to meet up with our existing customers, met some new potential customers.
It's been great to meet some new partners, both integration partners as well as new potential clients.